Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing buy or sell recommendations. I'm just giving you my opinions. Please do your own research before investing.
What's up, Crypto Cowboys? So today at 6 p.m., the Chicago Board Options Exchange started trading Bitcoin futures. You can see right now I have it up on my screen. The volume has been steadily increasing. I'm looking at 1 month futures right now. The price is $15,850. For those of you who don't know what futures are, a futures contract is an agreement between two parties to buy or sell an underlying commodity at a particular price to be exchanged sometime in the future. So right now the 1 month future for Bitcoin is $15,760. That means whoever buys this contract agrees to pay $15,760 for 1 Bitcoin 1 month from today. Now if 1 month from today 1 Bitcoin happens to be 18,000, they're sitting pretty because they get it at a good price. If it happens to be below that, they're losing money. So the person who is selling the futures contract believes that Bitcoin price will go down. The person who is buying the futures contract believes that the Bitcoin price will go up. How is this going to affect things? I actually think it's going to increase the volatility in the market right now because these big players are coming in, people who short the market. You can't really short Bitcoin. I know you can do some margin trading in some of the exchanges, maybe hardware companies that create mining machines. You could probably short that. But essentially what's probably going to happen is these guys are going to come in and there'll be an infusion of big capital. And who knows, they're probably going to try and manipulate the price the way it happens in the stock market. I really don't know. And you know, Wall Street investors and traders, they're a different animal. You see, most of the people who buy Bitcoin, they're the kind of people who are just buying and holding. I know a ton of people who put in $5,000, $10,000 who have no intention of taking it out for another year. Even if the price goes up to $25,000, they don't plan on taking it out because they're trying to shoot for the moon. But not Wall Street. These guys are going to come in with 11 million, 10 million, $100 million and hope for big moves in one direction or the other. So I actually see the trading of Bitcoin futures as something that's going to increase the volatility of the market. I don't care much for it, but whatever. Let's see how the prices are doing right now on GDAX, the spot prices of Bitcoin. So right now you can see the spot price of Bitcoin at 6 p.m. when the futures market started. You can see this big move that happened and then a big drop right there, volatility right there for you. But after that it seems to be, evening out. Let's see what happens when the London traders come in. We're probably going to see a lot more volatility come in, and of course when traders in New York start tomorrow, we're going to see a lot more volatility then. So I don't know, this might be the future of Bitcoin trading. Wild swings in one direction or the other. I mean, it was already happening, but I think now it can be a lot more. So let's see. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Bitcoin futures went live today at 6 p.m. Happy investing.